स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः। यथाग्नेर्दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता हिया सर्वविद्यास्वरूपां तां शारदां प्रणमाम्यहम्। नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। Selfless universal prayer, please. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु सर्वसद्बुद्धिमाप्नोतु सर्वत्र नन्दतु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। Mentally, please offer your salutations to the all-pervading blissful spirit in any name or form you like. Let us offer our salutations to Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna, Ma Sharada, Swami Vivekananda, and all great teachers, all great saints, teachers and saints whose teachings we all have inherited. May they inspire us with love for the truth. Three times Omkaram. Take a deep breath. Oh. Yes, namaste, very good morning, Subhodayam to all the participants and VIHE volunteers and others. Today is the second day of this course, Build Immunity through Yoga and Ayurveda. Yesterday you had a detailed discussion about the different aspects of yoga and why not, and pranayama and importance of prana shakti, concentration, discipline, etc. So today, our Institute Yoga faculty, Sri Levankarji, will give you some practical exercises. Those who know already, it will be a revision for all of you. Those who are not aware, will be a new lesson. Practice, practice, practice. The more you learn, the better. It's not that I know or you know or anybody knows. So learning, relearning and unlearning, very, very important, is it not? So for any subject, for any activity in life. So new exercises, new tips, new clear your doubts, and all of you or many of you should open your cameras, video camera, because this is yoga class. It's not theory class. He has to see you, how you are sitting, how you are doing pranayama and the mudra and asanas, etc. Okay. So all of you open your camera and participate nicely. Over to faculty Sri Livankar Ji, who is also qualified, highly experienced from Yes Vyas, Bangalore. And now last five years he is with us. Thank you. Over to Livankar sir.
Thank you, Maharaj. Thank you.
Thank you. May God bless you.
Thank you. Namaskar. Namaskar to everyone. Right. Before we start the class, we'll chant the Patanjali prayer, Yogasana prayer. Okay. Keep your back straight. Take a long and deep breath. We'll chant Omkara once. Just adopt Namaskar Mudra. Just repeat after me. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacha Malam Shariracha Vaidyakena Yopakarotam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi Abahupurshakaram Shankachakrasidharanam Sahasrashirasham Shvetam Pranamamim Patanjalim. Slowly rub your palms, massage your face, and slowly open your eyes. Right. Let me know the meaning of immunity. What you know? What is the meaning of immunity? Anybody? Please respond. The meaning of immunity. It's only physically or it's mentally also?
Mentally also.
Right. Right. For example, before we go to asanas, I'll give a small example. If X person had theft anything, okay, he's on way to class, right? He is coming and doing yoga. He theft something and came to class and he's doing yoga. After completing yoga, did he build his immunity or he did not build his immunity?
No.
Why? He did yoga, na?
But mental thoughts are disturbing.
Right.
Self.
Mental thought is disturbed. So your mind is somewhere connected with your immunity. Right or wrong? Okay. In another action, I'm feeling hunger. I'm coming to class. Right. At the same time, I am doing yoga. Can I increase my immunity? Though I am doing yoga, though my mind is somewhere else.
No.
Right? So here, the first and foremost thing, first you should control your mind. So the very first principle of yoga is anushasana, discipline. Whether you do yoga or not, secondary. First, anushasana is very, very important. And whereas this immunity and Ayurveda, for this both yoga and for the yoga, the guru is Patanjali, and for the Ayurvedic also the guru says Patanjali only. Okay, Malam Sharira Vaidyakena. Here the sage Patanjali also tell about Ayurveda. Okay, now how to increase the immunity with yoga? We'll do some practical asanas. Okay, I request everybody to on your cameras. Please stand up, everyone. Please stand up, everyone. Please stand up.
What are the others doing? Vijay, Funny Kiran, Satish Kumar. I told already this is yoga class. Open your cameras, please. other dress and something. This is a class. How do they know what you are doing? Shekhar, Vijay, and all people. Don't delay all these things. Very important. Ritesh, set your camera properly and everything. Nights, cooperation, class, demonstration. If you are doing wrong, you'll get back pain or neck pain or something. Here also so many people not yet open. Huh?
A simple asana, we'll do it. Then you'll be knowing.
Gautam,
Mind and what is your body. Okay? Here, what you're going to do
Sudhakar, Karthik, all of you.
is put your hands down.
Don't type anything now. Attend the class. Panikiran, don't type anything. Why are you typing? Attend the class, please.
I have already attended morning class, Swami. That's why I'm just listening.
Hey, sit again. No problem. Do twice. These are different asanas.
Okay.
Right.
When you are in a team, you should follow everything.
Now, simple asana, vrikshasana, very simple asana. Here, what you're going to do is just holding your right leg, keep beside your left thigh. And just raise your hand upwards. It's a very simple asana, very easy asana, vrikshasana. Okay? Raise your hand upwards. Come on, everybody should do it. Concentration is the main key here. Very good. Now I'll count 10 counts. 1, 2, hold the posture. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Keep your hands down, keep your leg down. Now do with other leg. Just raise your hand upwards, adopt Namaskar Mudra. Then again I will count 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Very good. Everybody did very well. Are you confident that you are perfect? You got the poster perfect? Everyone? Please give a thumb signal to me. Yes, everybody got this poster perfectly well. So you are all of yogis now. Okay? Now, we'll do one more set. We'll do one more set. Same, fold your right leg. Keep beside your left thigh. Adopt Namaskar Mudra. The final examination. Okay? Now, I will count 10 counts. Here, you are going to close your eyes. Let me see how many will hold the 10 counts. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Just relax. Now, what did you observe here? Previously, you were able to hold the 10 counts very easily, but now you can't able to do the count. Even you, I think no one had completed 3 counts also. Why? What is the reason here? What is the reason? What could be the reason here? Anybody? Did anybody observe anything?
Lack of concentration. Yeah.
Okay, lack of concentration. Maybe, may not be.
That is also.
Right.
Guruji, I think after 6 counts, we were little shivering, and maybe few people did it before only, because I think when we close our eyes, I think our concentration was not on the asana. I don't know.
Yes.
Something happened between the first and second.
Right. Here what happens, after few counts, your mind will say that you're going to fall. Okay? Your mind will say you're going to fall. Please open your eyes. Please open your eyes. And all of a sudden, you'll keep your leg down. Right? So here in main yoga, the first and foremost thing is, my voice is clear? Yeah. The first and foremost thing is controlling of your mind, and your mind should control your body. Okay? Right. Now we'll go for another asana. Just join your toes. So if anybody having any back pain related issue, just slip disc or a sciatica pain, please don't bend forward. Remaining everybody can do. Okay? Now just raise your hand upwards. Okay? Here what you're going to do is, while bending down, just observe the breath. Don't do inhalation and exhalations. Okay? Come on. 1, bend forward. 2, slowly come up. 3, bend forward. 4, slowly come up. 5, bend forward. 6, slowly come up. Relax. Now what you're going to do is here. Now do the same bending and getting up with a breathing pattern. Okay? Come on, raise your hand. Just see what is happening while bending forward. Then coming up. What is happening? Just observe the breath and observe your thought. What is happening? Come on, bend down. 1, 2, come up. Slowly, do it slowly. 3, come down. 4, slowly come up. 5, 6. Now just observe your breath. Just observe your breath. Close your eyes and observe your breath. Right. Now, what did you observe over here now?
Sir, when you go up, you have to you are inhaling by default, and when you're coming down, you are exhaling.
Right. Here, are you pressuring your body to do inhalation and exhalation? No. It means the body is the main key to balance your mind, balance your breath, and balance your immunity level also. Okay? So once you master your body, automatically your mind will be in the control, your breath will be in the control, and your immunity level will be also in the control. Right. Now, from past 2 years, we are listening the word immunity, immunity, immunity because of this COVID. Right? For example, if anybody gets COVID, okay, if 10 people say him that you are going to die, will he have immunity level? More or less when he listen it. Even if he practice daily 108 Surya Namaskaras, he is gone. So now in yoga, we having this chantings. I'll make you chantings in another few minutes. Before that, we'll go for another 2 asanas, very simple asanas, so that you can stretch your whole body. Just join your legs together. We're going to do Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Now raise your right hand upwards, stretch your right hand up straight. And while doing the asana, observe what is happening in the body. Okay? Now after raising your right hand upwards, now slowly bend to left side. Here you try to observe from your right heel to right hand completely upwards. Observe what is happening. You can feel a complete stretch in the right part of your body. center, and slowly come down. Now raise your left hand, stretch it upwards, and slowly bend to left side. Sorry, right side. Observe. Observe is the main key in the asanas. What is happening with the body? Just observe. Center, relax. A little bit gap between the legs and observe once again. Observation of your breath, your mind is very important. Now once again, join your toes and heels together. Raise your right hand, stretch it upwards, stretch as much as possible. You should feel the stretch from your right heel to left hand fingers. Come on. From your right heel to your left hand fingers. You should feel the stretch. Come on. Pull your right hand as much as possible. Don't take support. Ritesh, don't take support. Keep little bit apart. Now come to center. Relax. Now raise your left hand. Stretch your hand upwards. Now bend to right side. Here from your left heel to right fingers. You're having a stretch of your left side of the body completely, but as well as you should observe your right hand finger also. Center. Relax. Little bit gap between the legs. Just close your eyes, observe, breathe. Now, slowly rub your palms, massage your face. Now sit down. Now while sitting, just make your legs straight and sit. Now, we'll do another asanas of sitting. We'll go for Vajrasana and Shashankasana. Very simple. Just fold your right leg and left leg. Those who can't able to sit on the knees, you can sit normally also. It's not compulsory you should sit on the knee. If anybody having knee pain or knee injury, you can sit normally. After sitting in Vajrasana, just see what is happening in the chest region. Just close your eyes. Observe in the chest region what is happening. How your breathing pattern changes, you see. Just see your chest. Just see the breathing intake and outtake, inhalation and exhalation. Just see the process. You will feel more relaxed in sitting in Vajrasana. If your legs are not paining, you can see that you are very relaxed in this posture. Now, what you're going to do is slowly raise your hand upwards. Okay? See, in each and every pose, observe your breath and observe your mind. What is happening? Okay? Now, slowly bend forward. Keep your forehead on the floor and completely relax yourself. Stretch your hands forward. Here, you should relax your spine completely. Now slowly come up. Put your hands down and close your eyes and observe your breath. And slowly open your eyes. Now make your legs straight. Just make your legs straight. Stretch your ankles. Now, we're going to do supine asanas. We'll just finish the another two variations, supine and prone asanas, then we'll go for the pranayama and chanting. Okay, just lay down straight. And this all the asana will relax your mind and it will give very good immunity system. We'll observe it now after finishing our class. Now what you're going to do is take your both the hands above your head, adopt Namaskar Mudra. Here you're going to stretch your both the hands above your head and both the toes forward. Those who getting any abdomen pain, please don't do it. Rest of them, everybody can do it. Here what you're going to do is after inhalation, you're going to raise your both the hands, head and legs together. 1, 2, come down. Those who are doing for the first time, raise only single leg. But while raising your body, try to stretch as much as possible. Once again, left. Stretch your toes forward and stretch your hand above your head. Stretch as much as possible. Relax. This is Naukasana. Now take your both the hand beside your thighs and relax. Now, take your both your hands above your head once again. Here once again you are going to raise your both the hands and both the legs. In this variation of Navakasana, you are not going to keep Namaskar Mudra. Your hands will be away. Okay? Breathing in, slowly come up. 1, 2, come down. 3, 4. Relax. Now, lay down on your stomach. Just turn to right side on your belly. Gap between the legs. This is Makarasana. Here you can see your spine is getting relaxed. Now, take your both the hands forward, adopt Namaskar Mudra. Those who are having BP, please don't do this asanas, prone asanas. You can just relax and see. Here, what you're going to do is with inhalation, you're going to raise your hands, head and legs together. Viparita Navakasana. Come on. 1, 2, come down. 3, lift. 4. Relax in Makarasana. Now, we are going to do another asana, Shalabhasana. Take your both the hands under your thighs. Breathing in, raise your right leg. 1, 2, come down. 3, left leg upwards. 'Come down. 5, once again raise your both the legs together. Those who can do it, they can raise your both the legs, or else you can raise only single leg. Slowly come down. Now relax in Makarasana. Now, join your legs together. Take your both the hand beside your chest. Now breathe in, come to Bhujangasana. Then take your hip back. Shashankasana. Then slowly sit in Vajrasana. Rub your palms. Massage your face. Just make your legs straight. Now lay down straight in Shavasana. Gap between the legs. Just lay down straight in Shavasana. Just completely relax your body. No stress, no strain in any part of your body. Completely relax. Just slow inhalation, slow exhalation. Just observe, breathe. Now, join your legs together. Take your right hand above your head. Join your both the legs together. Take your right hand above your head. Turn to right side. Completely rest your body on the right side of the body. Completely rest. Just feel the inhalation, exhalations, how it is happening. Now, turn to left side. Completely relax your whole body on left side. Now lay down straight. Lay down straight. Just observe, breathe. Now once again, turn to right side. Take your left hand in front of your chest and slowly get up and sit normally. Don't open your eyes on of sudden. Just observe, breathe. Now slowly rub your palms, massage your face, and slowly open your eyes. How many of them are feeling sleepy? Please let me know. Anybody feeling sleepy? Or active? Let me know. Anybody feeling sleepy?
Active.
Active. Very good.
Active, sir.
Right. Now, we'll go for Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, as everybody know how to do it. Once again, I'll show it. Take your right hand forward. Fold the index and big finger. With the thumb, close your right. With the ring, closing your left. Okay? And with the left hand, adopt Chin Mudra. Right? Do 6 rounds now. Okay? Come on. Close your right, inhale from left. Close the left and exhale from right. Again, inhale from right. Close the right and exhale from left. Do it, altering inhalation and exhalation. Slow inhale and exhale. Try to keep your back straight. Relax, complete the round and relax. Just observe, breathe. Now, till I say open your eyes, till that time you're not going to open your eyes. You're going to close your eyes till we finish the chantings, right? You're not going to open your eyes till we complete the chantings. Just repeat after me and try to chant clear and louder, okay? We are going to chant each Bija Mantra for 11 times. Just close your eyes, observe, breathe. The first Bija Mantra is Om Lam. Okay? Just repeat after me. Om Lam. Om Lam. lam. Om 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 lam. Just feel the vibrations of this chanting. We'll go for the second Bija Mantra. Here the Bija Mantra is Om Vam. 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 Just feel the vibrations. The next Bija Mantra, Om Ram. 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 The next Bija Mantra, Om Yam. Just repeat after me. The chanting should be clear and louder. Om Yam. 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 Just feel the vibrations. The next Bija Mantra, Om Hum. Om Hum. Om Hum. Om Hum. Om Hum. Om Ham. 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 The next Bija mantra, Om Sham. 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 Feel the vibrations. Now we'll chant Omkara 3 times. Once again, take a deep inhalation. We'll chant Omkara once again. Once again, Omkara. Just calm down, feel the vibrations of the chanting. And slowly rub your palms, massage your face. Slowly open your eyes. How you are feeling? Feeling stressed, feeling energetic? Please respond. Or still sleeping? Anybody? How you are feeling now? You're in new world after opening the eyes? Huh?
Feeling better.
Unmute. Feeling better. Previously, had any problems, ma'am?
No. Relax.
Then feeling better. How you're feeling?
Uh, while
Anybody?
making yoga, body will. తెలుగులో చెప్పనండి.
తెలుగులో చెప్పండి.
అది ఇప్పుడు ఓంకారం చేసేటప్పుడు నాభి నుంచి వస్తోంది అది గాలి. అది బాగుంది. అది అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఓంకారం చేస్తాం కదా, అది ఆ ఫీలింగ్ బాగుంది. అది మంత్రాలు చెప్పేటప్పుడు కూడా బాగుంది.
వెరీ గుడ్.
అయింది, మైండ్ మొత్తం కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ వచ్చింది.
Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else want to respond?
Mind became calm, bro.
Mind became calm. Right. Anybody else?
Feeling fresh, sir.
Yes.
Feeling fresh.
Feeling fresh. Okay. Right.
Sir, dream physical and mental status and also relaxive mode.
Any questions regarding this session? Please let me know. Any questions? If anybody have any doubts?
No.
No doubts?
Question, sir.
Yes, Mridula, please.
Yeah, thank you for the session. Thank you for guiding us to the practice today. I was chanting, when I was chanting the Bija mantras, I had a question. Is it in association with any of the energy centers, the chakras, or it is different approach that we had today in the class?
No, it is a energy center, like 7 chakras, Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Ajnana, Sahasra chakra. So when you chant this Bija mantras, ultimately you're revoking your glands.
Right.
Okay. See, for example, I'll tell you one thing. Which is the master gland in your body?
Brain.
Gland, pituitary gland. Okay. So once you master pituitary gland, all the glands will function will be normal. So for each Bija mantra, you're revoking the each glands. For example, if anybody is hyperactive, it means the adrenal glands are very active. So to calm down also the same Bija mantra. To reactivate also same Bija mantra.
To balance, basically.
Yeah, it's balanced the complete. It will balance your whole body level. Okay. Anything?
Yeah. So in that aspect, I've never I was never told that Sham is also one of the Bija mantras actually. So for Ajna chakra, Agnya chakra, I think it was mostly Om, and this was Hum, Yam, Ram, and Lam and Vam.
Yeah.
So that's why I was confused, as in like it's
the effect of the Sham. You just everybody do it with the thumb finger. Close your ears. Okay. After closing your ears, do the Om Sham chanting. Then you can feel the vibrations. Okay. You to get a clear picture, I'm making you to do again. Close your ears and do Om Sham chanting. Om Sham. Om Sham. Om Sham. Om Sham. Om Sham. Om Sham. Relax. Just feel the vibrations. And now slowly open your eyes. What is happening in the head? Please unmute. Mridulaji, please unmute. What is happening in the head after doing this?
Yeah, I think I experienced a little bit of cool down, a little calming down, I think.
Yes, yes.
But I think I feel like the sound, the makara is the most powerful, I think, because all the Bija mantra ends with kind of the ma sound. The makara.
Yeah, that's a different practice, and this is the subchakra practice is different. Okay. Even if you're chanting Om Sham, again it is mice coming over there.
Yes.
Okay, particularly the Sham Bija mantra, it will activate your Ajnana chakra. Ajnana chakra is nothing but again it is a pineal gland. Some say it is pituitary gland, some say it's pineal gland. Okay,
And
that's
what-
another subject.
Okay. And what is the Bija mantra for the crown Sahasrara chakra?
It's Omkara only.
Omkar. Okay. Some say Ang, but again, I'm not sure how to chant that.
No, it's Omkara itself. Omkara. Okay, anything else? Anything else? Anybody having any questions? Please. Another 3 minutes, 2 minutes. I'm going to end the session.
Sir, please could you repeat the Om? You have chanted the mantras, no? Please could you repeat? We will know.
You want all the Bija mantra?
Yeah.
You want to note it down?
Yeah.
Right. Please note it down. The sequence is that you should follow the same sequence. You should not disturb the sequence. The sequence comes like this. Om Lam
L-U-M.
L-A-M.
Okay.
Vam Om Lam Vam. Then third one is Ram.
Third one, sir.
Third Bija mantra is Ram.
R-A-M.
M. Yes. Lam, V-A-M, Vam, R-A-M, Ram. Fourth one is Hum. H-A-M. Hum. Sorry. Fourth one is M. Sorry. Fourth one is M. Lam, Vam, Ram, Yam. Y-A-M. M.
Spelling, sir.
Fourth one is M. Y-A-M. Anahata chakra. And fifth one is Hum. H-A-M. Here in each letter A, you please put a dot above the A. And next, Sham. S-H-A-M. Sham. This should be the order. I'll repeat again. Om, Lam, Vam, Ram, Yam, Hum, Sham. This is the sequence.
Sir, we should repeat 11 times each mantra.
Yes, Vamshi?
We should repeat 11 times each mantra.
No, for this short period of time, we did it for 11 counts. You can go up your extension. It's up to you.
Okay.
Okay. But one thing, while you're practicing this, be total aware what is happening with the body. Some may feel shivering, some may feel somewhat XYZ. Don't go to the extent. Do it very basic level 11 counts. That itself enough.
Okay.
Okay. And one more thing. Your immunity depends on how you speak. Okay. Your immunity also depends on how you do your action. It is completely connected. Vak Shuddhi. You should have your words should be very, very careful. If you're hurting anyone with your words and you think that your immunity is strong, no use. Okay? Don't speak lies. Again, when you go to Patanjali Yoga Sutras, Yama Niyamas, Satya, Ahimsa, Brahmacharya, Asteya, Aparigraha. Again, these 5 principles should be followed. Okay? Don't directly concentrate on immunity. Don't directly concentrate in yoga asanas. Yoga asana is third stage. Before that, yama niyamas are very important. Okay?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, shall we use all these mantras with any pranayama like Anloma, Viloma, Bastrika?
No. That is a different
Variations
concept.
are there in.
No. You can't do it. It should be done with only a single point of agenda to relax yourself. not for the chanting or for not for doing Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama or anything else. Okay?
Sir,
Okay.
one doubt.
Yes, last question, please, Shekhar.
Sir, when is the right time to do this Bija Mantra, sir? In the evening and morning?
Whenever you feel your mind is calm, whenever you feel that your mind is not calm.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
I have a question.
Yes, Karthik.
Sir, any yoga for shoulder pain?
You should join Yogasana course that's starting from August 2nd.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?
Sir,
Right. Now we'll end this session. Swamiji, shall we end this session, Maharaj? Right, Maharaj is. Okay. We'll end the session with a closing prayer, right? Sarve bhavantu sukhina, all together. Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Swasti. Rub your palms, massage your face, slowly open your eyes. With this, we are going to end this session. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.